Shalom, my brother. Breathe deeply. Now, repeat after me for each affirmation. Speak each one clearly, confidently, and with conviction. Repeat this exercise daily for 21 days to restore your identity in Yahusha. One, I am a legitimate son of Yahuwah, chosen from the foundation of the earth. Two, I belong to Yasharal, a chosen race, a royal priesthood, a Qadash Nation. Three, I was not created by chance, but by Yahuwah's perfect hands with Qadash purpose. Four, I am more than a conqueror through Yahushua HaMashiach, who empowers me. Five, I am not what this world called me. I am a mighty man of valor, for Yahuwah is with me. Six, my identity is restored through Yahusha, who died for me. Seven, I am fearfully and wonderfully made in the image of Yahuwah. Eight, I am the head and not the tail, walking in obedience to secure the Barak. 9, I walk as a son of Yahuwah, not a slave to Pharaoh. 10, I am an heir of the promises made to Yaqub, walking in the destiny and covenant of my forefathers. Breathe deeply. Now speak those truths daily and continue to walk on the narrow path. Overcome the enemy in your mind with action day after day. Shalum, Yasharal, Barak YAHUAH.